Welcome to Glen on Cars. We are not millionaires, but we try. So we came here to support our friend at BMW. If you guys don't know what happened, just go online and search for the millionaires. You will see. We came in to just support our friend, make him feel comfortable, and we gave him some lunch money. I'll disclose at the end of the video how much we managed to contribute for our friend, but he will be joining us on the 2nd of August for the Glen on Cars event. If you guys also want to join us, please come through 2nd of August. Check out glenoncars.com and then you will see the event there. Please come through and we're gonna have a nice one. There's our brother there. We are now leaving and he is super happy, doing his job very well. Thank you guys. So the Glen on Cars group came to BMW Kempton Park to support Debza because people were treating him in a very weird way. If you guys haven't watched the video, go online, you'll see the video about the millionaires. We just wanna give him lunch, so you'll see the transaction just now, just for him to have lunch. So as you can see, this is the Glen on Cars contribution for just Debza to have lunch after the ill treatment he got.
Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. So the story of the BMW security guard who was allegedly humiliated while simply doing his job has taken another positive turn. After the viral video sparked outrage across South Africa, many people came together to show that kindness can be louder than disrespect. One of the groups leading that support is Glen on Cars, a South African car community. So they recently visited BMW Kempton Park to personally support the security guard who's known as Debza. In a video shared online, a representative from Glen on Cars explained that they are not millionaires, but we try. He said the purpose of their visit was to encourage Debza, make him feel appreciated, and remind him that many South Africans stand behind him. The group also handed Debza what they described as lunch money, but this was much more than just buying lunch. According to the video, the Glen on Cars community contributed more than 30,000 rands as a gesture of appreciation after seeing how Debza was treated in the viral incident. The representatives also announced that Debza has been invited as a special guest to the Glen on Cars event taking place on the 2nd of August, giving supporters another chance to meet him and show their appreciation. This story has definitely touched many South Africans because it shows how quickly people can unite behind someone they believe has been treated unfairly. Now, what began as a viral moment of controversy has now become a story that community, compassion, and respect. That has become a story about community, compassion, and respect, rather. Many people on social media have praised Glen on Cars for stepping forward and showing that ordinary South Africans can make a real difference in someone's life. Others say this is a reminder that every worker, whether a security guard, a cleaner, a cashier, receptionist, deserve to be treated with dignity and respect. While the original incident generated anger and disappointment, this latest development has brought a more positive ending to the story. If it is proof, it is definitely proof that sometimes one act of kindness can outweigh one act of disrespect. What do you guys think about Glen on Cars raising over 30,000 rands for Tebogo? Do you think that South Africans did the right thing by supporting him? Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section down below.
First, you don't ask where we are going. We know where we are going. How about such an exotic problem? Hey, multi-millionaire change. Hey, bro. Must treat you guys. This is not your BMW. You must know your job, man.
These niggas, they're crazy, man.
Yeah, BMW.
Where are we going? We are at BMW Kempton Park, man, you know.
They're asking where
we are the ones who bought the car.
When you just work here, you don't even know.
You'll never own a BMW.
You don't even know what are the departments here. You want to exercise power.
We are telling you we know where we are going. Call your manager. Tell him that I want to enter you.
People are crazy. This nigga said, what if Uzochoncha?
What if Uzochoncha? How much is someone supposed to pay for this car? For any BMW?
Yeah.
For anyone to drive an M2, that person must have 160,000 for a deposit. And that person must earn 116,000 a month, every month. Yeah, man. What's the question? Ngama la kuze kuphela 10 hours.
No problem, brother.
Yabona why bafuna ukuthatha ama-foreigner bawakhipe eSouth Africa? Yabo why bafuna ukhipha ama-foreigner eSouth Africa? It's because of what you do.
How do you what?
The way
How?
you must hold yourself like perfect.
My brother, can I ask you? You know, asking you, asking us where you are going.
Yeah.
How do you respect?
What's nice about knowing where I'm going?
Because I have to know, my brother.
I told you where I'm going.
I'm doing my job here.
Your job is to scan, not to ask people where they're going.
And ask, where are you going?
No.
So that tomorrow I can
You
know.
ask them if they do not know where they are going.
So that I can direct you.
Yeah, but we told you we know where we are going. We said no, where you are going to steal.
I ask
Do you think we are
my
type
brother,
of people who steal?
my brother, asking nice.
There's no nice about
where
that.
are you going? So that I can know.
There's no nice about that.
You're not working for VW, man. You're working for BMW.
You're working for your BMW.
Anyone who enters here is a millionaire, man.
You must know that.
Anyone who enters
here is a millionaire.
Okay.
He's a multi-millionaire.
Okay.
Yeah, you must know. Put it in your brain.
Okay.
Let it sink in your brain.
know how to talk to them, because those people can hire you tomorrow.
I don't have a problem with that. Who's a million, who's whatever. I don't have a problem.
It means you don't understand.
My brother, please respect my job too.
What is your job?
My job is to ask you where are you going
No,
to
it's not
send
to
me
that.
inside.
We told you we told you we know where we are going.
And then ask you, my brother, which department? Simple.
Why?
Why?
What
So that
does-
I can know
what does that
when
help
they
you
ask me
with?
if there is a car tomorrow.
We told you we know. This is BMW.
Okay, thank
You think where we bought this in a spicer shop?